So, we are working on the van today. If you guys are new to the channels, make sure you guys subscribe. We are actually in the process of building out our van, as you guys can see here. And we are installing our mini split. So we got this here. Now we were going to install it back here, on the back side here. But it's not wide enough for us to mount it there. So our next solution is to mount it up underneath here. So we got some brackets and stuff, and we're going to start getting this put up underneath there, get it mounted, start getting it all wired up so we got some sort of air conditioning / heat pump for this trip in California, which if you guys have not been following, make sure you guys subscribe. We are going to California in about a month, and we have to have this ready because this is our home on wheels while we're on the road. So let's get started. And that, everybody, is us hooking up the mini split. So we mounted it down below. We got a little bit more work to do, just kind of clean it up. We got this all mounted up, but I had to mount this in order to be able to put the wall up because all the lines go behind there. So now that that's all hooked up, we're going to get that get the wall put up, and then we're going to get the sliver put up on top there. I might actually cut a little access hole there so we can get into it, but for the most part, we're going to get this all boxed up, finished up, and then I might actually build out something a little bit up on top so it kind of looks normal, and kind of build it out there too, kind of go around the shower and everything. So until next time, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys follow us, because in about a month we are heading out to California in this thing, and we'll have our road glide and we'll have our Jeep in tow behind us, flat towing, and she gets to go finally see California. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.